I'm going to show you how to remove an agitator from a Hoover 550M washing machine. Open the lid. As you can see down there, there is no 10mm nut. There is like a spring or a plastic clip release mechanism. Okay, so you don't even have to remove this. You can leave that in if you like. Down the side you have a little red button, as simple as pushing that in. A bit hard to show you and do at the same time. Push it in and lift up as you go. So we're pushing this in and lift, and that just releases off the shaft, and you can get in there and clean your washing machine. Thanks again for watching.